of human dignity and well-being. At the Iloilo Provincial Agriculture Office, we are proud to share how our office contributes to this noble cause. Our programs are designed to ensure food availability, access, utilization, and stability. This also aligns with the social justice agenda of our good government. Our initiatives in sustainable agriculture are making a tangible impact. Freshwater aquaculture development, we're dispersing freshwater fish species to increase protein availability and promote sustainable aquaculture practices and livelihoods. Mariculture development, where our seaweed culture technology demonstration is empowering coastal communities to harness the potential of seaweed, enhancing food security and livelihoods. With the urban gardening, we're showcasing sustainable food production in limited space, inspiring households to grow their own nutritious food. In livestock development, we have the swine development program, where through artificial insemination, we're able to repopulate and upgrade our hogs and hog inventory, ensuring a stable supply of quality pork and improving livelihoods of our hog raisers. This initiative will not only enhance food security, but also provide economic opportunities for our farmers. Through our dairy development, our dairy milk production program is improving nutrition and providing opportunities for dairy farmers to thrive. And we have provided fresh cow's milk to our milk feeding program. Artificial insemination for large and small ruminants, we're enhancing the quality and productivity of our livestock industry, ensuring a steady supply of meat and dairy products. Our coastal marine resources management efforts are crucial for the sustainability of our marine resources. By protecting and preserving our coastal ecosystems, we're not only ensuring food security, but also promoting sustainable livelihoods. Our